Imagine cruising down a scenic mountain road, the sun dipping behind the hills, casting golden rays over the highway, and you're doing it in something unlike anything else on the road, a 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV. Yes, you heard that right, a three-wheeled, ultra-modern, all-in-one adventure machine that's turning heads and changing the way we think about travel. If you think RVs are big, bulky, and slow, think again. This sleek, futuristic beast blends the freedom of a motorcycle with the comfort of a tiny home on wheels. It's a vision straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real, and very impressive. The aerodynamic body, built with lightweight carbon composite materials, glows with integrated LED panels that adapt to the surrounding environment. It's more than just eye candy. Every angle, every contour has been designed for maximum efficiency. This isn't just about looks. This trike is built to slice through wind while offering incredible stability and maneuverability. Hop inside, and it's like stepping into the future. The cockpit is fully digital, with a panoramic touchscreen dashboard that wraps around the driver. It syncs seamlessly with voice commands, eye tracking, and even gesture controls. No buttons. No confusion. Everything responds naturally to you. Navigation? Just say where you want to go. Climate control? It adjusts automatically based on your body temperature. And of course, there's full level 4 autonomous driving capability. So if you're tired after a long day of exploring, just sit back, let the trike take over, and enjoy the view. Now, let's talk living space. You might be thinking, it's a tricycle, how much room can there really be? But this RV is a masterclass in space efficiency. With its expandable pod design, the camper unit slides out when parked, transforming into a cozy microcabin complete with a bed, a mini kitchen, a foldable desk, and yes, even a compact bathroom with a shower and toilet. It's designed for the solo adventurer or a couple that thrives on mobility and freedom. Solar panels line the roof and power a high-capacity battery system, so you can go completely off-grid for days. Need internet on the go? It comes with built-in satellite connectivity, making it perfect for digital nomads, vloggers, or anyone who wants to stay connected from the middle of nowhere. And get this, it even has a small drone bay. Pop open the hatch, launch your drone, and capture breathtaking aerial footage of your journey, all controlled right from the dashboard. Talk about next-level travel. Now imagine pulling up to a remote lake, parking just feet from the water, and within minutes, transforming your ride into a cozy retreat. No generators, no noise, no pollution. Just peace, privacy, and pure freedom. The Camper Trike's quiet electric drivetrain ensures you're not disturbing nature, or your own sense of serenity. And let's not ignore safety. This machine is packed with smart features, 360-degree cameras, obstacle detection, emergency braking, adaptive suspension, and terrain response systems that adjust automatically whether you're on sand, snow, or rocky mountain paths. It may have 3 wheels, but it's more stable than most 4-wheelers thanks to its low center of gravity and gyroscopic stability tech. It grips the road, and off-road, with confidence. Customization? Oh, it's got that too. Choose your interior finish, LED ambient lighting schemes, exterior wrap designs, even the scent that gets diffused inside the cabin. Want a Zen spa vibe after a long drive? Done. Need a rugged, tech lab feel? Just toggle a setting. It's your mobile mood capsule. You might be wondering about range, and that's where things get even more exciting. With its advanced solid-state battery system, you're looking at up to 800 kilometers on a single charge. And with fast charging support, you can go from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes. That's enough time to grab a coffee and plan your next destination. The 2026 Camper Tricycle RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. A symbol of independence, innovation, and the thrill of the open road. It's for those who believe in living fully, traveling smart, and embracing the future without giving up comfort or personality. This isn't a dream. It's here. And once you see it in action, you'll realize this isn't just the future of camping, it's the future of how we move, live, and connect. So, would you ride into the future on 3 wheels? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, this journey has only just begun.